Welcome to bravolab.com. My name is Philip Stegel. I am the founder of bravolab, an independent consultancy and optimization service for the composites industry. In this short video, I'd like to introduce our company and its unique product offering. The composites industry now and in the future has a great opportunity to enter the mainstream and gain widespread acceptance in the public sector. Domestic and international competition grows with intensity. We as an industry are going to be driven to find leaner manufacturing, smarter use of materials, better engineering, and above all, damage-tolerant composites, because failure caused by undue risk is not going to be tolerated. I find that these are the things that are going to drive composites in the future. The time is now to address these issues, and this is what bravolab's services are all about. I came to composites via competitive sailing. I was raised in New Zealand, and as an adolescent, I learned how to build and maintain my own boats in the endless pursuit of improving performance. And so my fascination in materials actually grew from that. What followed was a professional racing career spanning about 14 years, 80,000 miles of ocean sailing, including 9 transatlantic passages, 2 of which were solo. And my second solo race was in a 60-foot all carbon fiber trimaran. The performance of this boat was radical, to say the least. It was capable of sailing at 30 knots in the right conditions, and it showed really what can happen when engineering and manufacturing are totally insane. When you're blasting across the North Atlantic at 25 to 30 knots by yourself, it's important that the materials and the process are right. And of course, the ever-present drive to build lighter and stronger parts means more competitive boat and a better race result. But at the end of the day, you have to be able to finish the race. So creating a structure that's forgiving and able to withstand the rigors of the North Atlantic is all very much a part of the formula. After the racing campaign, I moved into composite manufacturing, working for Eric Gertz in Rhode Island, building actually prepared carbon fiber masts. And they were the first of their kind in the US at that time. Then joined Johnson Composite Reinforcements that then soon became Vectorply Corporation. This is a company that converted glass and carbon fibers into structural reinforcements. My job, my responsibility as technical director was to assemble the tools to drive the company forward, training staff and helping create new materials. And so I sat down and I invented and created and developed a whole new range of self-infusing fabrics. These are multi-planed fabrics stitched together. Parallel to the creation of the infusion fabric, I also worked on a cost calculator to give you the true cost of an infused part, because it isn't just the resin and the fabric itself that go into the mix. Of course, there's many other factors, but the true cost calculator helped our customers and the builders of composite parts find the right path and the solution that's most appropriate for them. You know, success at the end of the day is not only the appropriate part, but also that it was cost effective and that actually made money. I co-developed software to achieve these things. We're about to pull up in front of the boat shop, which is where I'm building a 42-foot carbon fiber epoxy resin-infused racing trimaran. We're standing outside the boat shop, which houses the dream and the inspiration for our company. This project embraces what bravolab is all about, and that is that the solutions and the answers for our client are based on 30 years of hands-on, real-world experience. Come inside and take a look. So, why build a trimaran, or why do a project like this? Well, to be honest, I love to sail fast boats, but of course there's a professional reason too. The opportunity to put your hands on the materials, to look at the materials under a microscope, is a way to perfect the art and to work alongside our clients in a very practical manner. Simply, this is an experience you can't gain from a textbook. I believe that excellence starts with a partnership with the client to develop a cost-effective solution that all facets of engineering, whether it's material choice, engineering, or the process methodology itself, are carefully thought through, because when you do this, you minimize risk and you maximize profits. I believe in continuing education and imparting the knowledge to the customer, because this is the way you go from being a follower of trends to being an innovative leader. I am driven to find the cost-effective composition of engineering, materials, and process, because in my mind nothing falls more short than a great design that nobody can build or afford. With bravolab as your partner, I am confident that we can navigate the rough waters to find the smooth sailing and the appropriate solutions to achieve success.